Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And today again it's going to be a music video reaction. Now this is from a band called Agam. Now the song is Mist of Capricorn. I am actually really excited for this because a lot of you have asked me to react to this and it's supposed to be like a great song. So let's react to it without any further ado because it's like a 6-minute video. Interesting. So yeah, let's start. All right. Ooh. Based on I'm not gonna pronounce that name because I'm sure I'll pronounce it incorrectly. Ooh. So it's like a live? Oh, it's not live. Studio version only. But it was written live sessions, so okay. Manavale Kincharadate. Yes. Wow, this is interesting. Oh, the guitarists. Oh, wow. Oh, the guitarist. I am loving this. Love this jamming.
कर्म कांड मद कृष्टुदैभव गगनचारुदै काशिचन्दगा कर्मकाण्डमदा कृष्टुदैभव गगनचारुदै काशिचन्दगा कलिमानवा
wow.
ಚರಾತಡೆ ಮರ್ಮಮೆಲ್ಲದೆಲ್ ಪೆದನೆ ಮನ ಸಾಮನ ವ್ಯಾರಕ್ಯಂ ಚರಾತಡೆ.
The violins are amazing. Oh my god, the violins. Blissful is the word. You know, when this was initially when I was starting, I said that, oh my god, this is a 6-minute video. I don't even know how it feels like 1 minute. It honestly feels like 1 minute because this was so engaging. Firstly, I want to know who is the vocalist. I'm sure the credits are given. Guitars, Praveen. Guitar was such a standout for me. It's not written who's the vocalist. Come on. Okay, fine. You guys will tell me, I know. You guys will tell me, I know. Oh no, vocals. Harish. I have potato eyes. I am convinced I have potato eyes. Vocalist is Harish. Too good, beautiful alaps. I loved it. And you know, it's always so great when you have a classical kind of song, but the beats are so modern. But you know what, for me, the guitar part was really great, and the standout, I'll tell you which part is this one. I don't know what this instrument is called. Oh my god! Absolutely. Are you seeing the drums plus this instrument? It's such a great combination. It's such a great. I loved how this entire song, apart from the vocals, has been composed using so many beautiful different instruments, and all the instruments are such standouts. Like the guitarists got their shine, the ones which were the people who were playing the violin, they got their shine. So beautifully done. Wow, this was such a bliss to my ears. I am just imagining this sort of playing when I want to be alone with my thoughts, and I'm just gonna blast this song, and it's just complete silence and nothing. I want nothing. I just want either to play this when I'm alone at home and I'm just listening to the song and doing nothing, or I am somewhere sitting, amidst the nature. I'm sitting in the beautiful lap of nature, and this song is just playing, and again I'm alone. I don't want any company with me when this song is playing, because I just want the company of the song. This is that kind of song. for me. Wow, thank you so much. Please let me know which is the next song from this band Agam. I am actually very interested to see their sort of like their music, what kind of songs they make. My god, this is, you know what, now I feel a little pissed off also at myself that I didn't know about this band. And yes, I know as a human being you can't know about everything in this world, but you know, our country has so much to offer in terms of art that it just baffles me. It just baffles me that we are so unaware. And thanks to you guys, thanks to social media, now I am getting myself educated with all your suggestions. So yes, thank you so much. This was my reaction to Mist of Capricorn by Agam. I will be waiting for more suggestions from you guys. I hope you enjoyed this reaction. I hope you have come till the end of the video, and I'll see you on my next video, guys. Bye bye.